Hey everybody, this is Doug with Artfully Rogue, and if you had a chance to see last week's video, I've got a lot of projects going on here in the shop. However, I decided to take a little bit of time out of my day and have a little fun. I wanted to do something for the upcoming Makers Central. It's only a few weeks away now. I'm getting pretty excited, so I thought I'd have a little fun. So check this out. Hey, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If you liked what you saw, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, if you can go ahead and subscribe now, that would be totally awesome. Hey, Makers Central is only a few weeks away, so I am getting excited. See you in the next video.